Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Chemistry with Nikita. So today we are going to learn E and Z nomenclature system. Okay, this system is related to the cis and trans. Means the cis means is a similar and trans means is a opposite side. So like here E and Z also present. So we are going to see the long form of E is a integer. Interjection means opposite sides. Okay, it means opposite. And Z means is a and Z means a Jusamen means together or a same side. It means the together and a same side. Means that Z is a cis form and E is a trans form. Okay. So taking one example, we can consider the E and Z system. So take down the example for a is better understand 2-butene. Okay, cis 2-butene. Okay, then before going to draw structure, first we understand the one concept. Then this system is related to the carbon double bond. Okay, so draw the structure for a 2-butene. So carbon double bond carbon, and here is a CS3 hydrogen, CS3 and hydrogen. This is a cis compound. So when we are going to nomenclature, first give the number and consider this carbon and attach the groups. Okay, these two groups. So first is a numbering. When we are going to give numbers, then consider the first heavy group and other we can take this carbon first number and hydrogen second number. Well, bulky group and smaller group. Okay, and there is also first number goes to the carbon CS3 group and second number to the hydrogen. Then consider the group presents are opposite or a same side to the carbon double bond. Okay, when we are giving numbering, then second point is the same or opposite groups are on the same side of a double bond as other opposite side to the double bond. So in that structure, CS3 and CS3 are a same side to the carbon double bond. So we can give this Z nomenclature. For this compound we can give the Z nomenclature. We can say one thing, that the compound having cis nomenclature or cis compound, so there is a Z nomenclature system. Okay, means cis is equal to Z. So take down the trans 2-butene. Then second example is a trans 2-butene, means interchanges the groups attachment. So draw the structure for a trans 2-butene. Here arrangement is little bit change. Is a CS3 changes to the or replace CS3 here and hydrogen. Okay, interchange to each other. So we can take here's a trans 2-butene. So give the number first carbon and second is a hydrogen. Here also carbon means CS3 group and one second is a hydrogen. And then look at here, first opposite groups are in opposite to the double bond. Okay, CS3 are a heavier group or same groups, same numbering. So we can take this is a E nomenclature. These are in a opposite side. So it is a trans system. So we can write here trans is equal to ZE, means when we take the trans compound, then system nomenclature system is a E, and second we can take cis compound, then we can take the give the name Z. Okay, so take down for the lone pair, we consider the lone pair containing compound. So take down the compound here, carbon double bond nitrogen is here. So here is a OH group attached, and in carbon C6H5 and hydrogen. Okay, so here nitrogen carries the lone pair. So when we are going to the numbers, then we consider the lone pair here. Okay, so give the number first. C6H5 is a heavier or bulkier group and second is a hydrogen. Okay, in here OH group, and here is a second number for the lone pair. So opposite sides are present the bulkier groups. Okay, that one is a opposite side to the double bond, so it can be E nomenclature. Okay, then we can take the interchanging OH. This is a trans system. Okay, so we can take cis compound. So take down the carbon double bond nitrogen, and nitrogen attach OH, and other groups are the same. Okay, and here is a lone pair to the nitrogen. Sorry, here is a nitrogen and lone pair is a present we have taken here, and this is a cis compound. So give the numbering similar to the above compound, OH having 1 and lone pair is having 2, and these bulkier group or the number 1 groups are on the same side to the double bond, so it is a Z nomenclature. Okay, so it is a cis compound. Okay, Z means what? Cis compound. So for a better understanding, we can take the one example. Okay, so take down the carbon double bond carbon, here attachment of Br, and here is a C2H5 chlorine and CH3. Okay, in here chlorine having more atomic number than the C or carbon, so we have given here 1 number to chlorine and 2 number to the CH3. Similarly, bromine having more atomic number, so it given 1 number, and then similar groups are on the same side, so it is a Z nomenclature. Okay, so this is a E and Z nomenclature system. I hope you understood this very well. So thank you for watching.